Hi guys, my name is Winter and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a fresh beauty haul, so it's worth a freaking $1,000. Like, oh my god, who would spend $1,000 in fresh? Because I love them and it's so fabulous. So let's see what I got for $1,000. To be honest, $1,000 to spend in fresh is actually not a lot. It's the same as going to Sephora. In the blink of an eye, it's gone. And I came home with a huge bag of fresh goodies, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got today. And I really love Fresh Beauty because even if they're so gentle, you can actually see an immediate difference on your skin after applying their products, and I have so many top favorites from them, so yeah, this is just like cherry on top. So the first product is probably one of the most expensive products in Fresh. This is the Fresh CRÈME Ancient Soft Cream. And I took the 30 ml version. I will link everything down below, and yeah, I'll probably like insert the price and the name of it. So apparently this is one of their first creams from Fresh, and it's like discovered by the monks. Like they kind of like formulated this thing. For the skin, it's like weightless. It has a fast absorbing velvety texture. So it's kind of like an anti-aging cream, which I definitely need because the years are passing really fast and I just want some youth back in my skin. And yes, this provides 24 hours moisture, so we'll see how this goes and I'll definitely review this. I'm so sorry, my phone is so noisy. So the next product that I got is the CRÈME Ancient Infusion Treatment Toner. So this comes along as the same line as the previous cream that I got, and this is actually like kind of like an anti-aging toner. It helps to hydrate and smooth your skin, so it's like a prep before you put on anything else on your skin. So I'm definitely really excited to try this because the black tea kombucha facial treatment essence is the bomb. It's so freaking amazing, and I'm sure this is going to be like on my holy grail list as well. The next product that I got is the Fresh UMBRIAN Clear Purifying Facial Toner. I know it's another toner and I'm probably only going to use Fresh for my entire life at this rate, but I was really curious to try this because it has actually like little clay particles on the bottom. I'm not very sure if you can see it, and every time you want to use it, you're supposed to shake it up so the particles actually like mixes with the water. So I suffer from really oily skin, so I hope this will help to mattify my skin and minimize my pores because these blackheads, like I've been squeezing them for like 20 years of my life. It's still there. It's still there. So save me, Fresh. Oh my god, I can't even do. This bag just smells so good because it's my favorite candle. So this is the, I can pronounce this Hesperi, I don't know. Somebody help. How do I pronounce this? Hesperides. Whatever, okay. So this is how the candle looks like. It's a giant tub of candle. Let me tell you, if you want a candle that actually makes your room smell great and not just like smelling it in the shop, get a Fresh candle because all the events at Fresh will always have Fresh candles burning and the room would smell so good. So try to test it. Oh god, this smells so good. I love it. I can't wait. Moving on, I have the SEABERRY Skin Infusion Cleansing Oil. So I decided to get the SEABERRY Skin Nutrition Cleansing Oil because I ran out of my cleansing oil and I need something to remove my makeup with, and this has protective Ophius flower extract and it helps to remove your makeup and soften your skin. So yeah, let's hope this works on my super caked up face, and we will definitely put this baby to the test. So if you're interested to see the outcome, go follow my Instagram because I do a lot of stories about testing products, and yes, you will know if this works or not down there. And of course, shopping at Fresh, I definitely will get a perfume. So the full-size perfume that I got from Fresh is this one. It's the Rose Morning Scent. So it's a new scent from Fresh and it smells so good. Like, I love it. It just smells like fresh roses. So their perfumes all come like this, in this very like, I don't know, chemistry looking bottle and a spray nozzle. I'm gonna open it. Whew. I love it. Like, it smells so fresh. My favorite scents are often those that are very powdery and light and floral, so this is like godsend for me. I have some on my hands, so I'm gonna like put it on my neck because let's not waste it. It's expensive. My camera is dying. And this is the other scent I got. It's the Fresh Brown Sugar. It's a signature scent from Fresh. I decided to get the baby one so that I can put it in my purse. This is the Fresh Life Body Soap. It smells really nice as well. I love Fresh. Oh my god, everything smells so good. And I love how there's like this little semi-precious stone tied onto it. So cute. I can't open this because if I open it I have to use it, and nope, I'm not gonna use it yet. So leftover products are just like a bunch of like tiny minis. So I got a mini version of my favorite cleanser from Fresh. It's the Soy Face Cleanser. This literally removes everything on your skin, including your makeup. Obviously I would recommend double cleansing, but it really works and I love it because it's so gentle. Even though it gets everything off your face, it doesn't strip you of your natural oil. So yes, If you're looking for a great cleanser, definitely start on this. The only thing that I don't really like about it is the scent, because it smells like soybean. It smells like food, so I just feel very confused whenever I wash my face. But it works, so I love it. So I bought this for my travels. And then because I was running out of cash, I'm hitting the $1,000 budget. I can only buy the mini Umbrian clay purifying mask. I used this yesterday and it's a really interesting clay mask because you know how most clay masks dry out your skin and you feel like it's gonna crack up? This doesn't, and even though it actually sucks out like all the gunk, like I could see that my skin is clearer. Like my skin still feels really hydrated, so I'm impressed. And now I have to shell out another $100 to buy the large bottle. Fresh! You're taking so much more money. And this is really personal because I got a fresh roll-on deodorant because I want my armpits to smell like sugars. I've been looking for really natural deodorants because those over-the-counter ones have like lots of chemicals inside. I feel like it actually blocks like the pores on my armpits. It gets really itchy. I know it's disgusting and yeah, I just hate it, so I don't put deodorant, but I still want to smell nice. Last but not least, because I'm so freaking obsessed with like honeysuckle and grapefruit, this is the hand cream that I got. It's the fresh honeysuckle hand cream. So let's smell it. Oh, it smells great. This smells so good. I'm always traveling to cold countries, so this will definitely come in handy. It's gonna be in my purse, so now my entire vanity is filled with fresh. My travel bag is filled with fresh. My bag itself is filled with fresh. So fresh, you have dominated my life because you're amazing. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul video. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll definitely be doing more videos this year. I'll try my best. I know I tell this every single year, but this year feels great and I feel it. I feel like I can do it. So if I'm not doing it, drop me a comment and kick my ass. Yes, I hope you guys enjoy it. Please subscribe. Hit the subscribe down below. Be a part of this family, and yes, thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!